I know there's some people from Tulsa and some who are not. I'd love to know where you're visiting from. Oklahoma City, okay. The big city.
From Pac-Man.
Yeah,
Actually,
Memphis, Tennessee, by way of Oklahoma City now.
nice.
Oh, great. Animals that may look familiar to you, but some of them are also from Central America. Or then you have these Egyptian references here, rejecting the old European way of doing things, and they're looking for inspiration from Egypt and from Central America. It so happens that Waite Phillips's wife was named Marvel. No, just kidding. Okay. Sorry, those are the only two bad jokes. The rest of it
All the
will
rest
be,
of them are great.
well, yeah, there are no more jokes. That's Phil Tower. That was the tall one that Waite Phillips built a few years prior. That was the tallest building in the state in 1923. This part of northeast Oklahoma is called Green Country, and it's a marketing gimmick that goes back decades because people not from Oklahoma think of Dust Bowl and tumbleweeds, and it's actually quite lush. And so a struggling university elsewhere in the state was bailed out and purchased and basically moved to Tulsa.
Okay. So I highly recommend tours with Jeffrey of Tulsa Tours. Did a fantastic giving all the table, all the background, setting the table for the tour. Amazing insight on everything Tulsa. Highly recommend. Thank you very much.